In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a local site folder in Dreamweaver. Setting up a local site folder is the foundation of working cleanly and confidently in Dreamweaver. It gives your project a dedicated home on your computer, so your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images stay organized, and it lets Dreamweaver manage links and assets correctly behind the scenes. Start by creating or choosing a folder on your computer where your website will live. Pick a spot you can find easily, like your documents or a dedicated projects drive. Give the folder a clear, simple name that describes the site. Hyphens or underscores are fine, and it's best to avoid unusual characters. You don't need to add anything inside this folder yet. The important thing is that this is the one place where all your site files will go. Now open Dreamweaver and define a new site. Go to the Site menu and choose New Site. This opens the Site Setup dialog. At the top, you'll see a field where you can name your site. This name is just for Dreamweaver's reference, so pick something meaningful to you, like the project or client name. It won't change how your site appears in a browser. It only helps you keep multiple projects straight inside the app. Next, set the local site folder. In the same dialog, look for the field labeled Local Site Folder, or sometimes Local Root Folder, depending on your version. Click the folder icon, browse to the folder you just created, and select it. Take a quick moment to verify you've chosen the correct folder and not a parent directory. When you select the right location, Dreamweaver knows exactly where to place new files and where to look for existing ones. To finish, click Save, Done, or OK, depending on your version. That's it. Dreamweaver now recognizes your local site folder as the working directory for this project. You'll see your site name in the Files panel, and anything you create or open from this point forward will be tied to this site. Dreamweaver can now help with site-wide searches, link management, and asset organization, because everything sits under that single defined folder. A quick best practice as you move forward: keep every file related to the site inside that folder: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and fonts. This keeps your links relative and predictable, prevents broken paths, and makes your project portable if you move it to another computer. With your local site folder set, you're ready to build efficiently and let Dreamweaver do its job.